Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this option is useful if you'd like to download some apps not from the Google Play Store. So for example from the internet. So we have to allow unknown sources. Let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to find the apps, then scroll down and enter Special App Access. Here in this list we have to localize this option, Install Unknown Apps, and right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And so let's change it. Let's pretend I'd like to download something from the Chrome. So we have to find it in the list, tap on it, and then tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see right now, it is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.